First of all, if you like Navy ships, this is heaven. Like, unlike, you know, it's like you can see all kind of Navy ships here, because this is the only way to pass to the Black Sea. This could be US Navy, Russian Navy. Russians like to display some of their weapons here, I think, for us to see. Sometimes some transits are done in such days that we really see their powerful ships. They can fire a missile from the middle of Bosphorus and hit Syria. So actually, like, when we see their submarines, their ships traveling all the way to Syria, it's actually, they don't even need to go there.
Are you telling me that sometimes Russian submarines pass under the Bosphorus?
No, not under the Bosphorus. They like to show it to us. You see the commanders, it's like the hunt for Red October. You'll see the Russian commander on the top, and they pass. And now we are talking about this, a Russian government-owned tanker is passing. For Russian energy exports, this is a vital waterway. So for Russian Navy to reach to Mediterranean, this is a vital waterway. But for also Russia to earn money, like Nevsky Prospect, 100% Russian government-owned tanker is passing literally meters away from us.
What's it carrying?
So now it's empty, going back to bring. It brought crude to Turkey. It delivered to the refineries, to major industrial hinterland of Istanbul in 60 kilometers in the Gulf of Izmit. Now it's empty and it's really high on the water.